This is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the recording time of your video clips on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if you want to go ahead and increase the recording length for your video clips, this is very simple to do. Now, if you don't know where the share button is located on your controller, it's located right here next to the D-pad. Go ahead and press this once and you'll be able to open up this screen. And this is the sharing and broadcasting screen. Now go all the way over to the right to where it says capture options. Then under here you can turn on high dynamic range. Then you can go to video type right here. You can change it from WebM to MP4, and then we have manual recording resolution 1920 by 1080. Then we can include our microphone and then include the party audio as well. But if we go to save recent gameplay right here, we have the option to save the full video clip. Last 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, last 15 minutes, and last 30 minutes right here. So this will be recent gameplay. But if we want to go ahead and record right now into the future, go ahead and press the share button, and then you can go to start new recording. And then you'll see a timer at the top of the screen. And this will continue to record for 1 hour. All you have to do is press the share button and then go to stop recording. And it'll save that clip, and you can find it over here on the left side of the screen. And then you can share this to a group, edit it, like it, or delete it. Now you can use the share button to quickly start recording. Now I have it set up so my video clips are easy to record, so I just double press the share button twice. It'll record at the top of the screen, and I just double press it again to stop recording. And you can see my video clips is saved on the right side of the screen. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.